Evaporative coolers or swamp coolers offer a low-cost, energy-efficient alternative to traditional air conditioning, especially in dry climates where humidity remains moderate. They excel at moving large volumes of air with minimal electrical draw and can provide substantial relief in spaces ranging from garages and patios to bedrooms and living areas.
List number 1. Hesair MC37M 3100 CFM Evaporative Cooler. The Hesair MC37M is a high-capacity portable evaporative cooler rated at 3100 CFM, designed for outdoor or spacious indoor use. It features a 10.3-gallon water tank, a robust 3-panel intake system, and a polypropylene resin cabinet intended to reduce noise and vibration. With a documented coverage of up to 950 square feet and a claimed 3 to 4 hours of continuous use per fill, this unit targets larger areas where traditional fans fall short and where evaporative cooling is most effective in dry climates. Performance-wise, the MC37M emphasizes mass air movement over ultra-quiet operation, with a listed noise level around 59 decibels. Its continuous water fill via a built-in float valve and garden hose adapter simplifies long sessions, and the 80% larger evaporation surface helps extend runtime between fills. The unit weighs about 39 pounds and ships with a 1-year warranty, making it a reasonable choice for those prioritizing cooling capacity and reliability in open spaces like workshops or patios. However, the trade-off is bulk and higher energy use compared to smaller models, and the water reservoir requires periodic monitoring to maintain optimal mist output. List number 2. Windowless air conditioner with 4 modes. The Coolec JD-AC69R is a windowless, freestanding evaporative cooler with a 2.4-gallon tank, 12-hour timer, and 1320 CFM output. It offers 4 modes: normal, natural, sleep, and cooling, and 3 speeds, with a claimed cooling reach up to 250 square feet and a 70-degree oscillation. It emphasizes portability, low energy use, and a compact footprint, plus a waterless alert system to prevent dry running. In use, Coolec highlights a 20-hour runtime on a 2.4-gallon tank when conditions permit, which indicates solid efficiency for a compact unit. The combination of a 24-inch cabinet and 4 wheels supports easy relocation between rooms or outdoor areas. Its 40 dB noise level during operation makes it competitive for bedrooms or home offices. On the downside, its smaller water reservoir compared with larger units means more frequent refills in hot conditions, and real-world cooling will depend heavily on ambient humidity and airflow in the space.
List number 3. Nomi Evaporative Air Cooler. The Nomi JDA-C66R is a 3-in-1 evaporative cooler offering an air cooler, humidifier, and fan function with a 1-gallon tank, 12-hour timer, and 429 CFM. It supports 4 modes and 3 speeds, and includes 4 ice packs to enhance cooling. The 70-degree oscillation and 300 square foot coverage position it as a versatile option for medium spaces and multi-season use with a focus on energy efficiency and ease of use. Performance-wise, Nomi emphasizes low energy draw, 60 W, and portable design at just 8 pounds with wheels. The top-fill design and detachable tank simplify maintenance, and the Smart Water Alert ensures you won't run dry unexpectedly. In practice, the unit's lower water capacity means longer cool-down cycles will require attention, while its 60 decibel noise level is typical for compact portables. If you value a year-round, lightweight solution with remote convenience and multi-mode flexibility, this unit checks those boxes nicely. List number 4. Vagcree Swamp Cooler. The Vagcree VA001 provides 2100 CFM with 8-gallon tank capacity and 24-hour timer, plus 120-degree oscillation and 70-degree coverage. It targets large outdoor or semi-outdoor areas such as patios and garages, delivering a strong breeze with 3 speeds and autofill capabilities. The unit notes a robust 2100 CFM for spaces up to 700 square feet, aided by a dual control approach, remote and digital panel. In use, Vagcree emphasizes mobility with 4 caster wheels and a visible water window for simple level checks. The 8-gallon reservoir supports longer sessions between fills, and the 24-hour timer enables overnight or extended daytime operation without manual intervention. However, being an outdoor-targeted cooler, it may be louder than indoor-focused models, and the large footprint could be less suitable for tight rooms. Overall, it offers strong value for users needing broad cooling across larger outdoor zones. List number 5. OEM Tools 23968 3-Speed Evaporative Cooler. The OEM Tools 23968 is a 3100 CFM evaporative cooler built for larger spaces up to 950 square feet, featuring a 10.3-gallon reservoir, rugged construction, and a patented axial propeller for improved air distribution. It emphasizes portability with casters and a compact form factor for a 45-inch by 28-inch by 17-inch footprint. And a 1/5 HP motor, the unit is designed for garage or workshop environments where high airflow is essential. In use, the unit's 3-speed settings and robust 3100 CFM output make it well suited for open work areas or larger living spaces that require rapid air turnover. The design includes a UV-resistant resin and a GFCI-protected UL plug, suggesting durability in workshop environments. The main considerations are noise at 68 dB and the weight, around 41 pounds, which may affect mobility in smaller rooms. If your priority is maximum airflow for large, non-climate-controlled spaces, this model delivers strong performance.